Para makita ka naman nung binigyan ng sapatos. Hanggang ngayon ata, di ka pa nakikita eh. Nakakaya naman. Pero ako naman nagbayad ng shipping fee para di tayo masyadong makapalang muka.
Nice.
120 lang eh. Kinolder ko. 120 mula Quezon hanggang ano. Wala, hindi naman kasi ganun kaliwanag eh. Pag madilim na madilim, tsaka makikita yan. Sige, patayin mo. Ayan na, umilaw na. Diyos ko, nak, glow in the dark lang. Huwag mong expect na lightning talaga na ilaw. Bumbilya kailangan mo. Ang ganda ng sapatos ni Liit, oh.
Sabi nyo na yan, naiingit na yung tatay nyo.
Sabi niyo, baka butasin ko yan pagising niya.
What?
Insecure ang puta.
Tangina. Benta ko yan pagising niyo. Mukhang mahal eh.
$2 million. Sold.
Wala na yung biniling sapatos sa kanya kahapon. Tain na. Aw naman, shit!
Oh, shit!
Oh, shit! Butas yung mamaya, gago ka. Tapyas kalswelas niyan.
Uy, tayong ano, outstanding. Matic Carnival tayo, malakas.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Kung hindi, naku, lalo pag nagpasko ka mo. Oo, tangina, hindi ako, mangangapal na ako mukha. Baka naman ho, puro anak. Kung ganun. Tatay naman ba?
Yeah, boy.
Ah! Sabay-sabay na tayo kumain dyan.
To fight together is
Ay,
my
putang
honor.
ina.
Bawal dyan. Ngayon na, sasama yung Renoleum pagka... kung gusto mo ng scratch, may Scotch Brite dyan, no? Ba't sa sapatos may nahanap?
Doon, ni-enjoy pa nung nanay. Ni-enjoy pa nung anak eh, pinapaubad mo na.
Spike. Siyempre,
Naiingit din si Iris ang puta.
Ang ganda kasi yung sapatos, boy. May send ko sa'yo.
Reloading. What's the wrong? Reloading.
Wala eh, tangina. Sa SM binili.
Here at SM, we've got it all for you.
Tuloy ako makapokus sa laro eh. Kasi ata sa akin yung sapatos ni Liz eh.
Tama ka na, boy. Tanginan to.
Bakit ba? Wala kang paki ngayon ha. Laro ka dyan.
Gago!
Pati siya para sa anak ang to. Grabe ka naman. Bigay ko sa'yo yung Kobe ko, boy. Eee!
Pwede na!
Boy, bigay ko sa'yo yung Kobe ko para di ka na maingit.
May bago banjay ngayon.
Wala.
Patay kasi si Kobe kaya hindi na gumawa ng
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Sabihin mo, Mami Weng, andito na po yung mga pinadala niyo sapatos. Sama po ng loob ng tatay.
Naingit po yung daddy ko. Yung papa ko.
Si Papa, pwede po pera na lang. Pwede lang ganun, no?
I am the one, your son don't need a gun to get.
This place is dangerous. Careful not to get burned.
Inggit. Pero sana po i-cash nyo na lang.
Reloading.
Patay na naman yan.
You need to train me.
Level 2.
Yung isa hindi pa namatay, low na yun eh. Nice one.
Is there a prize?
Naunahan tuloy ako sa ano, orange box. Doon, bar!
Move here?
Diba? Ano kami?
So ngayon,
Paano
wait lang, mabalikan ko kayo.
Sana all.
Loading.
Start delivering airdrops.
This place is dangerous.
Reaper has been
mo kahit magi ka, susuntukin kita. Mm. Okay ng ina mo. Tok siya boy. Kita mo yung icon?
I'm under attack. Stay alert. Surprise! Surprise! Careful not to get burned.
Boy, back na dyan, nasa zone na.
Umikot ng bundok, umikot ng bundok.
Pa, yun na lang daw yung
Sakit!
almost done. Open fire! I gotcha!
survival bonus.
Using medkit. I'm running low. Reloading.
Try ko naman, nauntog ako, tanga. Kaya akit din yan. Kasi ba siya yun? Hindi, sabi ko may kasama din palang pantalon.
Restoring shield.
Nice kill!
Facing danger. A medkit
Saan ka?
Careful not to get burned. Careful not to get burned.
This place isn't bad.
Safe zone under attack.
Careful not to get burned.
Danger! Careful!
Airdrop arrived.
Baho ang bote.
So someone was here. Someone was here. Someone was here. Someone was here.
May muscle kayo level 5?
Wala eh, stock meron.
We can go here.
Reloading for Isle City.
I sense danger.
3 enemy squads remaining.
Direct hit. Don't look down on me. Filling magazine and on my way.
Ayun o.
Pasok sa zone, pasok sa zone, pasok sa zone, pasok sa zone. Boy, may orange shield dito boy, naka-orange ka na.
This place
Someone
is
was
dangerous.
here.
Number 4 may orange dito.
Defend.
Pasok zone, pasok zone. Meron dito ah.
Keep up.
Someone Someone was here.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Tangina mo, labas pa.
This place is dangerous. Careful
Careful not to get burned.
Sige boy, pasukin mo boy. Tinitira ako.
Uy, sa likod ko.
Careful not to get burned.
Nililay, sinunog ako, boy.
Back. Dito, lapit ka sa amin.
Ayun, inaabot ako.
Target hit. Nicely done.
Supply ship en route.
This place is dangerous.
Careful not to get burned. This place is dangerous. Careful not to get burned.
Wait lang boy ah. Dami.
Ilang. Wag na. Mahirap na yung buhay. Kuhanan nyo na lang na hits. Ay, binubuhay ako.
In 30 seconds.
Salamat.
Careful not to get burned. This place is dangerous. Careful not to get burned.
Start delivering airdrops.
Someone was here.
Follow here.
Airdrop arrived.
You dare attack me? You'll regret this.
Ang ina mo, gago.
Drones, heal them.
Kailangan ko muzzle.
Supplies from the air. There's
Gilang.
Shield. Level 5.
Hit lang para mahil.
Don't rush me.
Oo,
Nasa tawid.
Oh, ayun yung binabaril nila kanina dyan eh.
Yung. Ay, nagtatago. Kitang-kita oh.
Saan pre?
Reloading as fast as I can. Wait a sec.
Yan, pasabugin niyo yung kotse. Nice oh. Wala na dyan. Ayun oh.
Someone was here.
Safe zone will retract in 30 seconds.
Sa kanilang kill. Baka naman yun lang.
Bigay niyo daw kay number 3. Ito.
We can go here.
Careful not to get burned.
Thank you.
Ay, pinatay. Nice.